In this video, I will show you how to change username on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top, hover over your current username up here, and what you want to do is click onto Profile. Once you're on your profile page, what you want to do is come to the right hand side and click the Edit Profile button. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and what you want to do is make sure you clicked onto General, and if you look at the About section at the top, you can see you've got the option to change your Steam name from here. So you can see mine's currently set to Tech Tutor Contact. What I can do, for example, is just remove Contact and leave it set to Tech Tutor. And then once you've done that, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the Save button. Once you've clicked Save, the changes do take effect straight away. So you can see now that my name is Tech Tutor instead of Tech Tutor Contact. So that's how to change username on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.